What an absolute nightmare to clean up. We smashed both of the toughened glass and gained nothing because they didn't have a coin mechanism on it anyway, but they never got this door open. It's just still locked and got a card reader on it. But it just gets everywhere. Look at it. Oh, it's just going to be such a clean up.
Yes, because I drove Jen came to the O'Keefe's house, so she was leaving to go home with me. Okay,
so your memory is you took Miss McCabe from where over to you picked her up?
Listening to the Karen Reid trial on YouTube.
My daughter and her son, I picked up her and maybe one or two of her daughters, I don't know.
That's the second trial. That.
No, I drove to the O'Keefe's house.
First.
Yes.
And what did you do with your
And left a couple of kids.
Nice. Where do we go now?
Yes, one or two, I don't know.
One of these gone missing somewhere because the other two are for the cover for the picket.
She's 13, so I'm not dating.
Oops.
So she went over to her friend's house.
Oh, come on.
back to the courthouse without the court? Will you get to your O'Keefe's and pick up your kids and then take all of them home?
I didn't have a present with Patrick. Nephew was my son's best friend. So he wanted to be with him.
Oh, I see more glass down there now. Dirt on the back.
I think you just answered this, but I'm going to make sure I'm clear about it. You didn't take separate cars. You all took the same car, is that right?
Correct.
Did anybody stop on
No.
either on the way or on the way back?
No.
So, I haven't got a spare door. I think we're going to have to buy. We're going to have to buy a new glass door, which is well over £1,000.
Yes.
Also, there's the merchant, which is also smashed. I think that's a similar price. We have got another door we can use for now, but not on the machine. That is scrap, unlike the one that we thought we had for this. Right, let's get that glass out.
You've indicated that there have been occurrences in which Judge McCabe has asked you to contact the DA's office on her behalf to ask a question here or there, get some information, correct?
Oh, I have to get something down there.
I mean, 50 times that you've had.
No, maybe like 4, not many, to my knowledge.
Somewhat thinner than that. Where's they go?
You obviously understand the importance of providing statements to law enforcement that are free of influence of other people or the witnesses.
Bit of messing, a lot of messing. We had a BEVMAX Classic, but this is a BEVMAX Classic Refresh with the new fridge, R290, gas in it, and the door is 30mm higher. So when I put the glass on, it wouldn't fit. In the back we've got a fully refurbished BEVMAX Media 1, and the glass is the same size. So our door, you know, put the whole door on, and it wouldn't shut because I think when it was moved on site, all the legs have gone all over the place. And these new cabinets on these are all riveted together and not welded, so they're a bit skew-whiff. They got to be 100%. So I'm got all the glass out, had all the bottles out, cleaned everything up. There's the odd little bit. I'm gonna put everything back together. I've done a load of tests already, do a load more tests, see if any little shards of glass fall out, but up to now, I think, oh, there's one down there. I'm going to just keep hoovering it, keep test vending it, keep hoovering it, till there's no glass left. There you go, what a nightmare.
Statements in the prior testimony you have provided in cases within several of them. The first time you told the true law enforcement was on January 29th, you've already said that. It was on January 29th, the first time you relayed your story to law enforcement.
I've already hoovered in there.
You received a phone call just before that interview started at 5:35 p.m., correct?
Is this the night of the 2019?
This is the night of, I'm jumping back to the night of the 20th.
Yeah.
Right.
On the 20th
Power it up, do some tests.
When the incident was still pretty fresh in your mind,
9.
you indicated that
Oh, I went off too quick. Service mode, test mode, test mode, enter selection. A2. Looking for chunks of glass flying around.
You also indicated that once you
continue. D8. Yes.
That is correct.
You also indicated that if anything, she said that if anything happened, John, she would kill herself.
That's what she said to me. So the objections sustained.
Continue. C5.
Did you indicate at any time? I'm sorry, let me ask that. Did the troopers indicate to you after your initial image
Continue. A4.
anything further that you could recall that would be useful? Please provide it.
A4.
Please give it to me at that time.
I don't know.
Would it affect your recollection to look at that change?
Right.